Can I get a hip hop? Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. Words are complicated, all too often misinterpreted, and complex is the rhythm of a conversation. How do you do? It's alright. Give me 10, give me 5. What you doing when you're doing what you're doing with your life? Police are policing from the back of a horse. Rich people misbehaving just off the race course. Hear the clink of cans and you feel inside. Come to Galway lads, cause it's crack to be had. Her tits were showing through a soccer jersey. Showed the boys a bit of birthday. I flashed them all a gentle curtsy and gesture to my throne. Clap your hands if you're going through the motions. If you're going through the motions, clap your hands. Clap your hands if you're going through the motions. If you're going through the motions, clap your hands. I was raised in a place of tracksuit pants, came of age in the age of awkward dance. Now I'm singing on a stage and I'm taking a stance, and it feels so good to walk the plank. I don't see much when I look in the windows. Good folks hypnotized by electronic dildos. Let me see your face in a room well lit. Are you living in the moment when you're taking a shit? Are you living in the moment when you're taking a shit? How are you? I'm okay, but I don't have much to say today, and I'm sure there's another way that we can be chums. Cause words are complicated, cups of tea are overrated, subtleties are much debated, and I'm more than satiated. Banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum. Just to see your expression, let me see your expression. I wanna see your expression. There's no Catholic priests or British soldierines outside of the pubs patrolling Boherines. Nature does not stop at nurture, searching for another searcher. If you want to join the social order, take off your pants, support my culture. Who is out to push things further? Just another bomb. Gentlemen, feel free to take off your pants at this point. No, would it help? I almost think that it might if the stuff that kept us up at night was not the same mediocre shite, but a lullaby to put you right to sleep. And in your dreams, you remembered all your dreams. You were awake in all your dreams, and we were there in all your dreams. I wanna feature in your dreams. Let me infiltrate your dreams. I wanna compliment your dreams. Compliment your banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum, banging on my drum. Must I be the only one? Please do let all the neighbors come. I'll offer each of them a drum, and we'll be banging on the